Welcome to the online training session on the topic of waste management. This is the sixth topic within Principle 3, Natural Resource Conservation of the Sustainable Agriculture Standard. In this session, you will learn why good management leads to better health for everyone on the farm and how to properly manage different types of waste on the farm. What types of waste do you generate on your farm? You probably have crop residue such as stalks, coffee pulp, dropped fruits, and cocoa pods. If you have houses on a farm, there will also be organic waste from the kitchen. There are plastic waste, papers, and metal waste. If you use agrochemicals, you'd have empty chemical containers. If you apply fertilizers, you'd have empty fertilizer bags. How are you currently managing all these different types of waste? Are they burned? When wastes are burned in open air, they emit toxic fumes that negatively affect our health. One of the highly toxic substances that are produced by burning waste is dioxin. Dioxin causes reproductive and developmental problems, damages the immune system, interferes with hormones, and also causes cancer. By burning waste, you are creating causes of various sicknesses on the farm. Are they left on the farm? If you leave waste on the farm, it will attract flies and other insects that carry diseases. Flies can transmit at least 65 diseases to humans, including typhoid, cholera, polio, and tuberculosis. Flies feed on your waste and multiply very quickly. They regurgitate and excrete wherever they come to rest on, thereby transmitting diseases. By leaving waste on the farm, you are creating more and more causes for diseases. If you are leaving empty chemical containers on the farm, the chemical residue on the containers will contaminate the environment. Some people may pick them up, use them for other purposes, and get sick because of the chemical residue. Are they collecting water? If you are leaving waste on the farm, the plastics, metals, and containers may contain water. Your waste deposit holes or waste bins may be collecting rainwater inside. Such stagnating water becomes a breeding place for mosquitoes. Mosquitoes carry many diseases such as malaria, dengue, yellow fever, and Zika. Because of bad waste management, people on your farm are more likely to get these terrible diseases, many of which can even lead to death. Are they thrown into water bodies? If your waste is thrown into water bodies, such as rivers and lakes, they will contaminate the water and affect the animals living in the water, such as fish. Animals eat pieces of plastics and metals, thinking that they are food. There are countless birds dying each year because of having eaten plastics and metals that were thrown into the environment. In these pictures, you see what was inside the dead bird's stomach. Your waste should not create any of these sad stories. Then what should we do with our waste?